So my new used Toro that I picked up May 14th and have been using this to cut my grass 3 times now won't start. It has gave up the ghost. My new used Toro is broke. Imagine buying something that won't run. But it acted like it was starving for fuel a few times, so I got a funny feeling that after running this out of gas and this was sitting under a house for some period of time, that I now have something plugged up in this carburetor. Because it does have spark, I verified that. So I'm going to spray a little carburetor cleaner in here and it will try to start. So I'm going to take this cover off and make sure the linkage for the auto choke's good. Looks like it's choking, but looks like we're going to have to take the fuel tank off, which is about half full of gas, and the carburetor, and take it apart. Let me show you what it's doing here. Well, actually what it's not doing is it's not starting. And that is about as much as it'll go right there. It's just not getting gas and to keep running. So it looks like we're going to have to take the gas tank off and the fuel system. I'm first going to verify the linkage on my now broken Toro recycler personal pace with a 7 horsepower engine. Got to work on it now.